Sometimes I film clips and I film videos and then I get too shy to post them. And then I just have a bunch of clips and videos on my phone that don't have like one cohesive video. I call it my TikTok graveyard. You'll just go through my phone and I'll have a folder with like an idea I had or something I wanted to post. But then I was like, nobody cares. Nobody wants to see this. So I'm just putting them together because why not? Here's a look into the last couple weeks of my life. This is just your reminder that even if you don't know what to post, you can still post something. Sometimes I find that I'm waiting for my life to look really aesthetic or for it to have like meaning or purpose for the post, and that then stops me from posting and I start to feel really shy. But no more of that. We're trying to be real, we're trying to be authentic, so I should just show whatever I want to show. I don't have to make it fancy and make